What's up, everybody? So in today's tiny tidbit, I'm going to show you how to take two pieces of wood, attach them right on the edge like that, not split the edge, and not pre-drill. Okay, so chances are if you guys have ever built or watched somebody build a deck or say something like that firewood shed that I built, chances are you've probably seen them take a floor joist and a deck board and put them on top of each other like this. Then they usually take a drill with a drill bit and pre-drill their hole along the edge to stop it from splitting when they put the screw in. So this trick will work on primarily softwood. You're never going to use this on hardwood, mostly because if you're doing hardwood, it's probably a nice piece of furniture, and if you ever have a screw going into it, you are going to pre-drill it with a nice countersink bit, and it's going to look fantastic. This is mostly used for outdoor projects where just speed is a factor and you don't want to have to carry around multiple drills around the entire perimeter of what can be a large project. All right, don't ask me why this works or how this works. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm fairly certain it has something to do with the fact that A, we're kind of pre-boring our own hole with the screw, so we're skipping the bit step, and it has a little bit to do with the fact that it's cauterizing the wood as we go in. So what you're going to do is take your drill and your screw, and we're going to go in full reverse, not forward, reverse. Same thing as before. We're going to go smack dab in the center of our bottom board up top, and we're going to go full reverse while pushing down firmly on the drill. What that's going to do is it's going to burn the screw in backwards, and you're going to get to the point where the screw is about 3/4 the way already in the hole, as well as the fact you may see it just start to smoke. Once you see the smoke or the fact that it gets 3/4 in, or both, that's when you stop, go full forward, and sink it just below the surface of the wood. No split. There you guys go. It's not that hard. That's how you put a screw into the edge of wood without splitting. It's actually pretty simple. No pre-drilling. All you do is this guy right here. Saves yourself a boatload of time. So hope you guys like that little tidbit. Sub and a thumbs up down below would be cool. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for stopping by, you guys. I have more tidbits on the channel. I've got more coming. Check them out. And I'll see you guys in the next one.